What's something people don't know about AI? It's not just for scientists and tech wizards. AI tools are transforming everyday life. AI tools are changing everything. From writing essays to generating stunning visuals, AI is becoming our creative sidekick. Imagine needing a logo for your new project. Instead of hiring a designer, you can use an AI tool to craft a unique design in seconds. But it doesn't stop there. AI can analyze data faster than any human, helping businesses make smarter decisions. And in healthcare, AI is identifying diseases earlier, saving lives. All these amazing feats are powered by complex algorithms, but you don't need to be a genius to use them. AI tools are designed to be user-friendly, making advanced tech accessible to everyone. So, the next time you think of AI, remember, it's not just the future, it's the present, and it's here to help you achieve more. Exciting, right?